It's no secret that different products perform better or worse at different times of the day. Sales figures can vary greatly depending on the season, the day, or the time of the day. But what's the best way to do this without investing an enormous time? That's the question we want to answer today. Hi, I'm Andy and we are here at AcademX. Let's start off with an example. So now you should be able to see my screen, and as you can see, we are in the BidX Tool. The new scheduling function can be found in the area of management. To create a new schedule, you can click the plus Add New Schedule button. A new schedule can be applied to two different goals: campaigns or products. Depending on the selection, either a campaign is adapted or the products within the ad groups. Then one of the following action types can be selected: status change or boost. For campaigns, the daily budget and bids can also be changed for the boost, and the products can be paused or activated. In the last step, a basic type can then be selected: day of the week and time of the day, or individual time interval, and soon also performance. Every time a boost is applied to your campaign, whether via a schedule or manually, bid adjustments are made. The times given always refer to the time zone of the marketplace to which you applied. Hold on, we are still not done yet. Now we will be discussing basic types in more details. Based on the selected base type, different actions or requirements are required. First, you should choose day of the week and time of day. Based on this data, you can now set a planned status change or boost. For example, I have relatively high sales of my electronic devices on Sundays and Mondays between 6 p.m. and midnight. I will increase campaign budgets and bids in order to further support this effect and boost sales. On Saturdays between 6 a.m. and 12 p.m., as well as between 12 p.m. and 6 p.m. on the other hand, sales are relatively low. This is why I would go for a negative boost to reduce advertising expenditure at this point. Second, focus on individual time interval. With this basic type, you can make adjustments to products or automate campaigns based on a time interval. For example, your campaigns can be boosted once or regularly paused on Fridays and Saturdays. Schedules can also be repeated monthly or annually. My electronic devices, for example, are in high demand, especially during fall and winter. Activating campaigns on a schedule is recommended at this point. Furthermore, with a separate schedule, you can boost the campaign's effectiveness at the beginning in order to put the products organically in a more favorable position later on. Also, my electronic devices are a popular gift for Christmas and are sold many times on Black Friday and Cyber Monday. For these events, it is especially useful to boost your products. With our scheduling function, you can plan your boosts in advance and prepare for sales events optimally. In the BidX tool, you can easily schedule your campaigns based on the days of the week and the time of the day, or seasonally in advance. This way you don't have to do it manually. If it's out of season, you can either pause the campaigns or reactivate them during the season, or set a boost for specific campaigns. If you want to know more about the scheduling feature, you can book a demo call on our website bidx.io or contact us via hello@bidx.io.